I post crochet videos on Tuesday and Friday, and other videos in between. You can slow down your videos to a very slow speed by clicking on the gear icon below the video. Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a very easy purse strap or belt. So let's get started. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5 or more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pick up a loop in the second stitch from the hook and pick up a loop in each of the remaining stitches. You will have 5 loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. 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 Chain 1. Now you're going to go through this vertical bar and the stitch. Pick up a loop. You're going to do that all the way across the row. Pick up a loop. Through here and here. And the last one, pick up a loop. You'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on your hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. 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 Chain 1. Pass through the vertical loop and the horizontal loop. Pick up a loop. And then the end of the row, the last 2, pick up 5 loops on the hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. 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 I'll show you one last time. Chain 1. Through both of those loops, pick up a loop. Five loops, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And you'll just keep repeating that until your strap is the length you would like it to be.